Before we begin, I encourage you to put on headphones if you can. Headphones will help you hear the subtle sounds in the music that are designed to enhance your focus. If you don't have headphones, that's perfectly fine. You can still benefit from this meditation. So, feel free to pause the video if you need to grab them. When you're ready, sit comfortably and let's start your focus journey. Find a comfortable seated position, adjusting your body so that you feel balanced. Let your spine straighten and lengthen. Rest your hands softly in your lap and gently close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath. As you inhale, notice the expansion in your chest. And as you exhale, feel the contraction. Don't try to change the rhythm of your breathing. Just observe it as it naturally occurs. Let your attention flow with each breath like small waves, rolling gently on the shore. Throughout this meditation, you will be guided to focus on the music. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Don't judge yourself. Gently bring your attention back to the music whenever you notice it wandering. Imagine that each time you bring your mind back to the music, you're strengthening your focus, just like a workout for your brain. This is an opportunity to build your concentration muscle, little by little. In this moment, I'll leave you in stillness so you can fully immerse yourself in the sounds around you. But before I go, I want you to remember that there's no wrong way to meditate. Even if you can only focus on the music for a few seconds, that's still an accomplishment. Be patient with yourself and know that each time you practice, you're becoming stronger. Now, allow your mind to fully tune into the sounds around you. It's time to slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the points of contact between your body and the surface you're resting on. Start to roll your shoulders. Move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and come back to the world around you. You did an amazing job, even if you only managed to focus for a few seconds. That's still a big achievement. Be proud that you took this time for yourself and keep practicing. Each time you come back, your focus will improve, and that will gradually have a positive impact on other areas of your life.